This 5-minute solution will show you how to change account name on Monopoly Go. Follow these easy steps to change your account name. First of all, you have to update the Monopoly Go app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Monopoly Go. And if you see any update available, then update the app and then launch the Monopoly Go app. Tap on this menu icon. Tap on your profile photo. And here, next to your name, you will get this little pencil icon. So tap on this pencil icon. And now, here, write your new name for your Monopoly Go account. Then tap on submit and tap on save. And this is how we can change Monopoly Go account name. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.